So this could be an absolute great tool for people who, when they go to buy a house, they're thinking, well, I'm going to have this extra money. Where should I put it? And maybe for right now, I'll just put it in my reverse mortgage in this growing line of credit because interest rates right now are 6.5% or thereabouts. And that might make sense for me personally to put it there. So I'm glad you brought that up because you can absolutely do that.
For my twin sister, I kept looking at her statement and it was growing in terms of her line of credit. I said, Judy, you're making money on your reverse mortgage.
That to me is the single most important aspect of the reverse mortgage. And we didn't talk about that here today, but that line of credit to me, that's like the most important thing of the whole reverse mortgage and the most unknown aspect of the reverse mortgage. Back in like the mid 2000s or so, there was a lot of research that's been done on this from the financial planning community and some very prominent tax attorneys who looked at the code, looked at this product and said, wow, this could be a great vehicle to put in retirement planning to help grow cash flow and overall assets and help strategize to decrease income taxes. I mean, that's a whole other podcast segment for you and me another time. But I'm glad you brought that up because that's what I call the secret weapon of the reverse mortgage.
Even though we covered it, even though we talked about it, even though you talk about it, it's another thing when you see your statement and see, there's this extra cash and it's growing at 6 or 7%. That's pretty cool. That's beating my money market at 4.5%.